In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks and effectively manage your subscription. Maybe you're looking to make changes, or perhaps you're considering ending your subscription. Whatever your reason, I'll walk you through the steps with ease and clarity. Let's start by heading over to the QuickBooks homepage. If you're not familiar with it, you want to open your browser and go to qbointuit.com. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options that might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're going to focus on what you need for subscription management today. Next, look for the Settings option. It's generally represented by an icon that looks like a small gear or cog. When you click on Settings, you'll have entered the central hub where you can customize your QuickBooks experience. This area allows you to adjust many features of your account so that you can tailor them to your business needs. But for today, let's zero in on subscriptions and billing. After clicking Settings, navigate to the part of the menu labeled Subscriptions and Billing. This section is where all details regarding your plan and payment method are housed. Here you can always double-check what type of subscription you currently have, when your billing cycle begins, and what your plan includes. It's a handy section to get familiar with, especially if you intend on managing the financial aspects of your QuickBooks account. Now, if you've decided that it's time to cancel your subscription, you'll find an option labeled Cancel Subscription within the Subscriptions and Billing section. Clicking this will start you on the process to cancel. It's important to keep in mind that canceling a subscription is significant, and you should ensure that you're certain before proceeding. Consider any dependencies your business might have on QuickBooks, and make a note of when your current subscription is set to end, as this action will affect both immediate and future access to your account details and financial reports. And that's all there is to it. With those steps, you've effectively navigated to the subscription portion of your QuickBooks account and managed your subscription settings. Remember, staying informed and up to date with your business tools is crucial, and QuickBooks is no exception. Whether you're making adjustments to suit your current needs or planning for the long term, using these steps can help keep your business finances in order. I hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any more questions or need further insights, feel free to reach out through the available support avenues. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you have a fantastic day managing your financial future with QuickBooks.